Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. King of Aquariums here, and today we are going to talk about probably the most important thing in fish keeping, and that is your bacteria. Now, basically the cycle of an aquarium is you have nitrifying bacteria. There are different types, but this converts the ammonia from fish waste, uneaten food, stuff like that, to nitrites, then breaks down into nitrates. Now, all of that bacteria lives on surfaces. All these little rocks, all of this media, everything, that's where your bacteria is that is breaking down all of the waste and converting it properly. Now, we have two types of bacteria, anaerobic and aerobic. Basically, one that has access to the oxygen in the water column and the other that does not. Now, today's focus is going to be on aerobic bacteria, but I do want to show you how to get anaerobic bacteria. You need a super deep substrate bed. This is about a 3.5 inch substrate bed, and then I have a mountain I have covered a sponge filter with. Well, essentially the sponge from a sponge filter that I was running before. And basically what that does is creates a environment where the bacteria does not have access to oxygen rich water. Now, specifically with the aerobic bacteria, it's going to live in places like your filters as well. Sponge filters like what I have there. Sponge filters are actually one of the best ways to create a effective strong bacteria colony because they have a lot of surface area. Now, when it comes to that bacteria, surface area is the goal. However, with this being a breeding tank with multiple fish, I'm going to need something a little bit stronger than 2 hang-on backs and some sponge filters. And yes, you can see I have some plants over there, but I need to add something more. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about the Aqqa Aquarium Fluidized Moving Bed Biofilter Media Filter. We will take a quick look at the features. Real quick, it does not come with the air pump or the tubing. I'm not going to read all this, but if you want to pause the video, there you go. Okay, so I will say, as far as setup, it literally is as simple as this. All you have to do is run your tube in and plug that bad boy in. And so basically what this is going to do is create an oxygen-rich environment with a lot of surface area because of the moving bed, the oxygen that is being put in. This is going to create the perfect environment for a really, really strong aerobic bacteria colony, which is what I need in addition to what I have. And also, one thing that you can do is add in something like C-Chem stability inside of the filter before you plug it in. I did not opt to go that route because I already have an established tank here. Now, this filter has a sponge at the bottom that's going to prevent all of the particles from going up in there and getting tumbled, meaning that this is actually maintenance free. All I will have to do about every year or so, most likely, is just clean out that sponge down there and set it back up. If that, probably don't even have to do that. So that is the biggest advantage of a filter like that versus my 2 hang-on backs or even my sponge filters, is the fact that I don't have to clean it. So if you want to get you a filter that is low maintenance, no maintenance, the Aqqa moving bed filter is the filter for you. And the cool thing about it is you can even take your air pump and run multiple of these things. So I could actually get a few more, run them around my tank, and it would actually be better than what I have now. Oh, and it does come with these K1 filter medias, which are wonderful. I actually took some K5 and added in with it. You don't have to do that, but it is something you can definitely do. Because remember, at the end of the day, the goal is surface area. And when it comes to filtration, tumbling thousands of square feet of filter media is simply better. Now, you may be wondering what are the disadvantages. Well, for that, you're going to have to like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video where I will talk about that. Stay fishy. Have a great day.